Hi guys, so we have four nice two-stroke dirt bikes here. The main I focus into Honda CR125 1994. The bike is fully restored, just coming from the company after restoration. It's a beautiful machine, as you can see. FMF pipe on it, subframe, engine bottom part powder coated, new tires, new stickers, also engine fully rebuilt. Beautiful machine. Now see what you think, guys. Now, nice sticker kit on it, nice seat. Bike has 0 kilometers after fully rebuilt. Also the frame was powder coated, so no use since restoration. Just waiting for someone to use it, maybe on the shows, and we pity just to use it on the dirt track, maybe a couple days of summertime. That's all. Now that's her CR125 1994. That's CR250 1999, and also CR125 2001. These bikes are fully rebuilt, just not as that shiny as that one here. And little YZ125 Yamaha 2004 here as well, fully rebuilt. Enjoy, guys, the lovely view.